Welcome to our channel. If you want to link two-factor authentication setup to YouTube Studio to secure your account and protect your content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Step 2. Sign in with the Google account associated with your YouTube Studio. Step 3. In the left sidebar, click on Security to access security settings. Step 4. Scroll down to the section labeled Signing in to Google and click on Two-Step Verification. Step 5. Click Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts to set up two-factor authentication. Step 6. You will be asked to enter your phone number to receive verification codes via text or call. Step 7. Enter the verification code sent to your phone to confirm your number. Step 8. Optionally, set up an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy for more secure authentication. Step 9. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, it will automatically apply to all Google services, including YouTube Studio. Step 10. Open YouTube Studio and sign in. You will now be prompted for a verification code each time you log in. Step 11. Store backup codes in a safe place in case you lose access to your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.